Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Wynter, okay? And you're wondering, can you actually make money from this testing website? How does this actually work? How do you get signed up? Let's check out Wynter to find out whether this is a good way for you to make money on the internet. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email. You can check that out if you want, all right? Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet. Everything from testing websites to free websites to surveys to watching video ads to all sorts of different business models, courses, and some of them are great and you can potentially make a lot of money. But a lot of them are actually very difficult and you can only make very little money, and some of them are just straight up scams. So let's take a look at Wynter to find out whether this is a good way for you to start making some money, okay? Now, Wynter is actually a 100% legit platform that works with different companies to get them basically surveys and insights for their particular products, right? But as a participant, so if you're watching this video, maybe you want to, become a tester and get some money from them. And so what you would do is you come to Wynter and go to for participants and click on sign up right here, okay? Because you want to become a research participant. So this is how it works, right? What you can do is you can get paid to do research studies, customer interviews, and product demos, and they will pay you a certain amount of money for actually taking those tasks on, right? So it's actually very easy, and this is the way that it works, right? If you want to join, you have to be located in these countries: the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Europe. All right. Outside of these countries, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to join. So if you're in the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, or Europe, then you can join Wynter and become a research participant. Now, when you log in and you decide to sign up for it, okay, this is how it works. All right. First of all, there is an onboarding survey. All right. And in order for you to really join, you're going to need to have a LinkedIn account. That's very important. Okay, because they only want professionals joining this. So if you don't have a LinkedIn account, you can't join Wynter. All right. The second thing you need is you need a private email and a work email. All right. So that means you need to use your own private email, but you must also have a work email that's not related to Gmail or Rocket Mail or Yahoo or anything like that. Right. So they are very, very serious about the types of people that they bring in. They want real people that are workers, that that have a job and are actually professionals that can give real feedback. Let's just say you qualify for those things. Then the way that it works is you're going to have access to their members area, all right, where they will show you what kind of demos and tests that you can take. Now, here's a big problem though, is that depending on where you live and the time that you signed up for Wynter, sometimes you'll get access to some surveys, some feedbacks, some demos, some interviews, but sometimes you won't get access to anything at all. So you might go on for a month, 2 months without actually getting any demos or tests to take. All right, so that's the only thing about a testing website like Wynter, right? But the way that it works is, if you do get access, you're going to see that a little survey will pop up, okay, inside of your members area, and also take the survey, and it takes anywhere from 5 minutes to 15 minutes, and sometimes interviews will take between 30 minutes and 60 minutes, okay? Now, it says that they'll pay you between $500 and $600 per survey. It really depends on what you actually do. All right, so anywhere from $5 to $600 is very, very rare. Please understand that to get paid $600, it's going to need to be a one-on-one interview. It'll be a minimum of an hour. So it's going to require you to jump through more hoops in order to make that. But this is a real testing website. But don't expect to make $600 for every single test that you take. And a lot of the time, it will be very, very simple, feedback on surveys, for example, and it's not your typical survey that you would take on, gardening equipment or food and things like that. This will be very, very specific to their client that they are actually trying to get the feedback for. So it's usually about different websites, different creatives, different sales copy, business related stuff that you're going to give feedback on. Okay, now if you kind of scroll all the way to the bottom here, you'll basically see how do you get paid, right? So basically you get paid out 5 days after participating in that particular task or that test, all right? And they'll send your money to either to a gift card, Visa, PayPal, or a charity of your choice. Okay, so there is no threshold, you don't need to hit like $100 before you actually get paid out. It's basically as soon as you've done the test, you get paid after 5 days, and then you can withdraw it through gift cards, Visa, PayPal, or you can nominate a charity that you want to get paid to, that you want to pay out to as well. So pretty simple stuff. All right. So overall, I think Wynter is a very, very cool testing website. All right. The only thing about it is that it's only located in certain countries: US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Europe. And the big issue, I think, with testing websites is sometimes you don't get tests for a while. All right, so you might sign up and everything might be great, but it might be that you don't get a test for a few months. Sometimes you only get one test a month, and it might only be a $10 test, right? Other times it might be a $100 test. Other times, maybe if you're very, very lucky, you might get access to a $600 test, but this is very, very rare. So this is not something that you can rely on for full-time income. This is something that you do on the side. You can sign up for it if you're in the right country and you've got a LinkedIn account and you've got a private and business email. But don't expect it to be regular income. This is just, once in a while, if you're lucky, there's a test, you can take it and you might get paid a little bit of money from Wynter for actually becoming a product tester. But it is legit, and it is a cool free way to generate a little bit of extra money. All right, so you can check it out at wynter.com and sign up to be a participant if you're located in one of those countries. Now, if you're watching this video right now and you're like, Aaron, I'm looking for a way to make full-time income or maybe even good part-time income, and you understand that the internet is a powerful place, but you don't know how, right? Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to do that, but out of all of them, there's one strategy that I feel is the best for a beginner to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home. And if you would like that strategy, just click the link below and I'll send that to you straight to your email. You can check it out if you want, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review today of Wynter, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.